Welcome! Today we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to see who liked your posts on Instagram. Whether you're curious about engagement or just want to revisit those moments, this process is simple. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your posts and interactions seamlessly. Next, click on your profile photo located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This action will take you directly to your profile page, where all your shared content is displayed. Once you're on your profile, find the post you want to check. Scroll through your feed until you locate the specific post you're interested in. When you've found it, go ahead and click on that post to open it up. Now, here comes the important part. Click on the count of likes displayed under your post. This will show you a list of everyone who has liked your post, giving you insight into who engaged with your content. And there you have it. You've successfully seen who liked your Instagram post. This feature not only helps you track engagement, but also allows you to connect with those who appreciate your content. Remember, being aware of who interacts with your posts can enhance your experience on Instagram. It allows you to engage more with your audience and understand what type of content resonates with them. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and share it with others who might benefit from these tips. Happy Instagramming!